This next part is something that I've just discovered with course 2, which really helped me a lot. So this next part that I did really helped me a lot. I did my own little tracking scorecard kind of thing. So maybe it's better if I do a picture. This may even be backwards. So basically, yep, I'll put a picture. Basically, what I did was I wrote down in my notebook all the modules in the course, so 1 to 20. And what I would do, and this is after, so what I would do is I would do 15 practice questions on each module and write down my score. So this is separate from what we did while we were doing the readings, because that's still important to do. So when that's done and I've done all the Terminator and the rapid recall and stuff like that, I now want to do my testing of knowledge again. And yes, this does take time, but it's quality. So I would write down my score for each module. So that way I would know where my strengths and where my weaknesses are. So I would know like modules. So I'd write down all my scores and then I would circle any module where my score was less than 75%, because as we know, passing is 75. So I knew that I needed to work on modules 4, 5, 6, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So those were the modules that I did my readings again. And when I knew that they said the earliest exam would be April 27th, I started this April 20th. So this whole process took me, you could probably do it in a day if you wanted to, but I spread it out over 4 or 5 days. So for the things that I need to work on, I just started with module 15. So I read that module again, and make sure you check out my video on how to print the slides, because that is how I really didn't want to go back on my computer and do the rereadings again. So I printed off each module and just read it as a PDF on my iPad, which was a lot more convenient. So I didn't like read the whole thing word for word. Parts that I knew I was confident on, I just skipped over that. But anything where I'm like, oh, I forgot about this, or oh, I didn't remember this, or oh, that's what this is. Rereading the content a second time made the world of a difference. There's just certain things that just hit me different, and it was just very helpful, and I would have failed if I didn't do that. So that was very important for me. So after doing the readings again, like after I read I would take maybe at the most, maybe an hour to read over, just to really 45 minutes just to skim through the module and just pick at the parts that I needed to. So, and as you can see, like after doing that, like module 15, I got 67%. Initially, after rereading it, I got 93%. So this method really worked wonders for me. And then even module 19, I got 100% when I retested on it. And then on PassIt, when you get 100%, they do like a little celebration for you with confetti and all of that. So that made me happy. So yeah, so that's a good tracking process that helped me a lot, and I think will help out other people too. Just showing you, it shows you where you can focus your time on. You can take the time and just reread everything and test on everything, but me particularly, I like to be a bit more precise, and yeah. So my people, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys can take from that and find something that works for you. So just remember, stay calm, stay washing your hands, and we'll get through this program one course at a time. All the best, guys.